is going on? My favorite Homo sapiens. I just want to go through my trade from Wednesday, November 12th. It was a short, but initially I was looking for longs. The reason why is because I want to see this buy model completed, potentially coming to this high. I was expecting Wednesday to give me a good day higher, but as most of you know, we didn't get that based on the opening of 9:30. We're definitely gonna get a big day today, at least to the upside. But I'll give you the reasons why I was looking for a high trade higher today, and why I changed my bias, and what made me change my bias. So initially, I was hoping this swing point here to be the low of day. Hoping price to get to these failure swings here. As you can see, based on the overnight section, price was holding up. It's using all these fair value gaps as support. Support. Here, 7:30, we got a good reversal inside this fair value gap as well, making a good reaction here based on this 1 hour candle. But 8:30 didn't do pretty good, since I really didn't like how 8:30 closed here. I was looking for 9:30 to at least give me a good manipulation here, so then I can look for higher prices. Because the last thing I want to do is literally trade away from consolidation or from a range. I don't want that to happen. I literally don't want price to just pretend here 9:30 like it's going higher and get this high, come back down, get this low, then go higher. Happens many times. But 9:30, I was expecting the low to be taken. Didn't really happen, as you can see, based on the closure. Nasdaq breaking lower, YM breaking higher, ECSNT. There's also a S&T on the daily with ES to take into account. Right here, this swing point and this swing point. It's a S&T with ES. So looking for the short, for the temporary short, made me comfortable, especially after that big 5-minute candle here. All I was looking for was my entry. After that, I didn't want to know anything else other than my entry. And to target, I was looking for these lows. Here, the only reason I enter here, even though I will never enter on a candle like this, the only reason I took it was because ES gave a good opposing candle here, good auto block, also creating a S&T with the 9:30 candle, a swing high, right here. See the 5-minute candle here, never went above the 9:30 candle, and obviously it was also more bearish, at least based on the reaction. My entry came after the closure below ES also confirming direction, closing below the auto block. Entry was around here, going for 1 to 2. Stop loss above the 35 a.m. the 9:35 5-minute candle. Looking for a 2R, potentially going to this low, but when my TP got triggered, I wasn't on the computer, so I couldn't leave a runner, even though it never hit, would have never hit. But still, ES did come to a low, swing low. Yes, it did. But NASDAQ, the only reason I took that low was because of that. The candle going above it and also closing below. NASDAQ making a strong move lower. And yeah, that was all basically. I keep everything very simple. I don't really look for anything else other than swing points. This swing point to that swing point. From this swing point here, breaking below this swing point. If it doesn't manipulate it and give me a strong reversal, strong reaction higher, and if it closes like this, I'm always gonna look to change my bias. But obviously, I need an opposing candle and a strong closure below the opposing candle for me to actually change my bias and look for the opposing draw.